Page 7, you can't lose with the blues. A blues piece. Different kinds of music, you know, rock and roll or ragtime or classical. Well, blues is another kind of music. At the top of the page, they show a little bit about eighth notes unevenly. I'll talk about that later. And common time. Common time is another time signature. It's the same as 4/4. Some people will say, no, technically it's not. But I say, go away. It is too. It's the same as 4/4. That's all. They used to use common time rather than 4/4, and then eventually got into using numbers. That's all. Big deal. You can go Google time signatures and the history of time signatures if you want to read all about it. So let's look at this blues thing. I look it over. It's 3 lines long. Treble, bass, clef. Common time or 4/4 time. So there's 4 counts in a measure, and we're counting quarter notes. I see quarter notes and eighth notes and half notes and a dotted half note. There's a little bit of pedal at the end, and we have some flats in there, so we got to use some black keys. I have some suggestions on the fingering. I don't care for the fingering too much. We'll talk about it, and I'll explain why. Right hand first. Again, I want to connect the notes with the fingers if I can. We're here, thumb. You don't need these other finger numbers right now, just here. It's 4 and 1, 4 and 1 and 2. And then the third finger's on E. I'm going to use it on E flat. Later on, at the end of the line, 4 and 1 and 2. Then to measure 4, you have rest, time to come up here. A flat is here. And then at the end of the line, they want here. I'd rather not. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just, I would rather not. I think it's a poor fingering. I want to stretch out a little bit. I'm going to leave the thumb where it is. I'm just bring the rest of the hand in rather than here and here. I'm going to use 4 here. That's a much more reliable fingering, and that's what I recommend. Use 4. And then during the rest, you got 1 beat rest to come up here. Rest, and during the rest, you can come down. I recommend you stay there and just squish down. I want to feel this. Here with the thumb here. I'm using that as my anchor, and I'm just coming down. And it's measure 10. B flat. And again, during the rest, you come down here. Although I'm going to squish, again, I want to feel it. I'm leaving that as my anchor, and I'm going to feel this here. So I don't have to look at the keyboard if I don't want to. I mean, you got to look right now, but eventually you want to get to where you do this without even looking at the keyboard. And the last 2 measures, then you're here. With E flat, remember the rule for accidentals. It applies from that point on in the measure to the rest of the measure in that staff. So this is, E flat is good for the rest of the measure, so that other E is flat also. And for the last chord, they want here, no. Just reach up a little bit. I can get all these notes in that last measure in one hand position, like so. And that's the fingering typically would use, so why not just use it? It's a 2, 4, 5. And here is what I recommend. Left hand. And again, I don't like this here. I don't like that. There's times you might have to do that, but let's not. Do it. Do this. 2. 2, 5. 5, 2. Measure 5 and come up here, and same thing. 2, 5. 5, 2. I should say the bottom number first. Here. And then back here. I don't want to be doing that. It's a little dangerous. Put the hands together. Let's see what we got. We're here and here. So 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 2, rest. This rest, I got to get the left hand up here ready to go. As I'm doing this, I got to get the left hand up. And then as I'm doing the left hand, I do the right hand, move the right hand up. And as I'm doing this, I got to get the left hand down. See, you're looking ahead to see what's coming, so you're preparing for it, and you'll get used to this. It'll just happen. While I'm playing a measure 6, I'm looking at measure 7 because I already know what's in measure 6. You only have to glance at it. You know what it is. You look at measure 7, you see, oh, your right hand's got to come down here, so you just move it down there. Takes a little practice. Takes a little time, but you'll get it here. So rest. And as I'm doing this, I gotta get the right hand down. Rest. And then I got one beat rest to get the right hand up. And as I'm doing this, I get the left hand up. Now as I'm doing this, I get the left hand back down. Now that's, hold that down and push this, and now hold the left hand down as you do that. So at the end, these are all down. And that chord sounds weird. It's supposed to, it's blues. Yeah. So that's sort of what the notes and rhythms are, and the hands, the fingering. Then I'll go back through it slowly and get rid of any hesitations. Then I add the articulation. Here it's connected. Just play this. Connect this. At the end of the second line, you get accents and staccatos. Accent, the little sideways arrow, you play a little louder, a little more weight, and the staccato is short. Flex the wrist on it. Just a little more weight, short. Then in the last line, the left hand is still accent and staccato. Accent staccato, just a little louder. And then the last measure, the fermatus, you're thinking, oh, what beat am I holding here? Am I holding the second beat? Here? Am I doing that? No. When you have to have fermatas in both staves because they got to stay together. So if I get a fermata in one staff, I need a fermata somewhere in the other to hold that also. But you don't have to hold at the same time all the time. And most of the time I'll use the smallest value, note value, and that's going to control what's going on. Here it's the half note in the right hand because I have a dotted half note here. That's 3 counts, but a half note's only 2 counts, so I'm going to use the half note. This is the smaller value. I'm going to hold it out what seems right. And the other hand, I'm just going to hold to match it. And this right hand fermata isn't until beat 3. So I'm not going to hold until beat 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to hold out. That's how you can decide. So you're not holding beat 2, you're holding beat 3. Weird. How long you hold, that's just whatever feels right. Now, if I do it with a metronome, I'll double the value and I hold the half note for 4 counts instead of 2 and then lift up. That's so I can stay with a metronome. And you're thinking, what's the end of the piece? What do you mean stay with a metronome? A lot of times fermatas are in the middle of a piece. So out of habit, I just double the value when I'm playing with a metronome. Then the speed. Well, this is where we have to put it in what's known as a swing rhythm. That's this long, this uneven thing they're talking about at the top of the page. 4/8 notes in blues. Well, it's blues, swing, and jazz. Those 3 kinds of music, they're all played basically the same style. And that is we swing the rhythm, which means we play them uneven. The 8th note's uneven. It's not 1 and 2 and 3 and. It's 1 and 2 and 3. There's no notation for it. You just feel this. 1 and 2. So on the 8th notes in the right hand, 4 and 1 and 4. Swing it. You just feel this all the way through. Something like so. Now when you swing a rhythm, there is a limit to how fast or slow you can go. We have some blues pieces that are slow, and we have some blues pieces that are not so slow. But still, if you go too slow, it won't swing. Wow, that doesn't swing. Ugh. And you can't go too fast, or that doesn't swing. It's just somewhere toward the middle. Just stay in the middle, it's fine. The dynamics, I forgot to do the dynamics, so excuse me. I usually do that before the tempo. It's loud at the beginning, it's going to be both hands. The both hands are playing together, whatever you think loud is. Second line, now you're soft, both. pin to go back up. Start measure 7 soft. Each one gets a little louder. And those accented notes on measure 8, those are actually going to be very loud because of the accents. Because it's loud plus an accent equals very loud. And then for measure 9, these are loud. These are very loud. And then you have a retardando. And again, it gets back to going too slow. Once you start going too slow, you can't swing the rhythm, so you even the notes out. So in the next to the last measure, you start swinging, but as you get into it, maybe the last couple beats or so, you play them evenly because you're going too slow. And you're soft here at the end. Yeah. Now they show pedal there at the end, and it is typical with blues. They'll play a chord at the end, some sort, and you'll pedal that. We want the overtones. I'm not going to show pedal if that's it. You just, once you play the left hand here, push the pedal down with the left hand. Here, they say push the pedal down with the first beat. You can, I suppose, but I would prefer to wait to the left hand here. Now push it down. And then at the end, you lift the pedal in the hands at the same time. Yeah, that's the pedal. And that's typical of blues to do that. See, a lot of pieces in method books, they'll get to the end of a piece and they'll add pedal at the end. And I say, no, don't do that. If you haven't used pedal somewhere else, I'm not going to suddenly add it at the end. But it is the style of the music, of this kind of music and blues, to do that. So go ahead and do that. However, put your foot on the pedal before you start. Don't be putting your foot on the pedal or taking it off while you're playing. You put your foot on the pedal for the whole thing if you're going to use it at all. That's just one way of doing it. You get into it. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Feel the natural accents all the way through in everything you're playing. Now, once you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamic. We don't do louds and softs. We're not performing it. But I will swing the rhythm. Even though we're going slow, I'm still going to swing the rhythm. And I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 3, 4, hold, 2,